So what we're trying to do is figure out how long it's going to take to manufacture these nail lamp panels. We know we've got about 476 panels that average 6 foot by 10.5 feet. So what we wanted to do is a mock-up over here of one panel. Now granted, this one was put together on the floor, so it was a little more labor intensive, and we didn't have anything that really sucked the boards down and clamp them tight down. But from a timing standpoint, we found we've got about 45 minutes into doing a 5-foot panel. So we think we could be less than an hour for a 6-foot panel, and we'll be working up high instead of down low. So based on that, we'll use those kind of production figures to figure out what the cost of these panels are going to be.
How unusual is this?
This is the first time I've done it. There's a couple projects out there that we've done as a company, but this is the first one that we've done here in Georgia.
Of this type of panel?
Yeah, nail lamp panels.
Now what about doing this kind of sort of test for a custom kind of feature of a building? I mean,
we'll do it when the time when it's when it's going to be the right thing for the customer and for the project. We don't do a whole lot of self-perform here in Georgia, but where it makes sense in something unique like this, we think we've got a better opportunity of saving some money compared to trying to find somebody to do it on their own who's never done it before.
and it's more likely in this kind of building to have to do this kind of thing a few times.
It is. I mean, this is a very unique building.
Yeah.
So anytime we've got something like this, it's unique. It's an opportunity to do something different. These nail lamp panels are actually built upside down, so that we've got a flat surface to work off of and reference off of, because they're alternating 2x4s and 2x6s. So we build them upside down. What you're seeing on the top there is actually what will be the finished surface of the ceiling up above. So when you look up, you'll see the undulations between the 2x4s and the 2x6s. We've got the flat surface on the top to then put a concrete coating over to put some radiant cooling in, and also create the finished walking surface.
And what's the sustainable aspect of this? I mean,
Partly it's you're using, the 2x4s are salvaged?
Yes, this one we just mocked up with conventional framing lumber because we didn't want to use some of the salvage material for this mock-up that won't go in the building. But the finished units will be FSC certified 2x6s and salvaged 2x4s.